So I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics Takes Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to take that yellow shade and put that all over my crease just to give the look a really sunset vibe look to the eye. So I'm going to go in with my UrbanDecay Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to take this color He Devil and put that in my crease as well, just to kind of darken it up. I live by this shade, you guys. It's amazing. It just makes any kind of like look just look super smoky. It just really blends well with any eyeshadow. So I'm just putting that in my crease. And moving on to the most fabulous palette ever is the Patrick Starr MAC collaboration. I'm taking this like really bright color. Well, I mean, it's the only one that stands out in the palette. You can't miss it. I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to put on some mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I already did my eyeliner. I'll save that for a separate video. It just takes forever. And then this lashes in the style May, and these are so beautiful on the eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with some setting spray just to get ready for my foundation. I'm gonna use the Benefit Porefessional and put that all over my face. And then I'm gonna use this highlighter. It's from, I think, LA Splash. I'll have a link down below of all the products I'm using. And using this Peach Perfect foundation. This is in the shade Vanilla. Then I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Fair, I believe. And I'm just gonna, you know, conceal everything like usual and blend that out using my Real Technique sponge. Fit Me powder, Fair Clair, amazing. You guys need to get it. It's better than any powder I've used. And I've used a lot of powder. I live by powder because I'm an oily biatch. I'm using the Patrick Starr Give Me Life bronzer, which is giving me life. It is a little dark. What I do is I take my brush and dip it in and then stiffle it on the back of my hand and then apply it so it's not too pigmented and it doesn't make me look too muddy. And it just gives an overall really warm look to the face. Makes you look skinny. Just kidding. Tartelette and Bloom palette from Tarte. I'm using this shade for my brows. I've been loving filling in my brows with powders. It just gives an overall kind of like natural look. Well, not really natural, but in my mind it's natural. I'm going to spritz the face, get ready for highlighter. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. This is only $3, you guys, at Ulta. It's amazing. Amazing. The UrbanDecay Beach palette, I'm taking this like bright blue and I'm putting this underneath my lash line. I'm going to be using this Too Faced glitter glue and this glitter, which is in the shade Jade Glare. I'll have a link down below. And then this Pixie eyeliner. All the products will be listed down below, so make sure you guys check that out in the description. This is MAC Subculture lip liner, I believe. And for my lipstick, I'm using this Maybelline Bare All lipstick. It's fucking bomb. Excuse my language. I'm so sorry. And then to top it off, I'm going to use this Patrick Starr lip gloss in the shade Cream Pie, if you know what I mean.